Excuse me, guys. Had to move the cell wall. The cell wall is a very essential part of the cell. It gives it additional structure and support. Basically, it's just a protector of the cell, and obviously it's important because we need cells and we need them to be protected. Cells are an essential part of every organism and like their daily life. They're the building blocks of organisms, and they're very important. So to start with the cell, we have the nucleus. The nucleus is basically like the brain of the cell. It tells the cell what to do, it gives it structure, and it has protons and neutrons in it. So yeah. Then we have the endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as the ER. We have it right here. The ER is a network of membranes involved in protein and lipid synthesis. There's two parts to the ER. There's the rough ER and there's the smooth ER. The rough ER basically incorporates the cell plasma membrane and it sends organelles, and it's like sent to organelle called libosome. The smooth ER is lacking ribosomes. It is involved in the synthesis of lipids. Next, we have the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus functions as the cell's post office. It modifies, sorts, and packages proteins, which we also have protein powder right here. Next, we have the mitochondria. Mitochondria is often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. That's what almost everyone learns from science. It generates ATP, which is also energy, and it makes nutrients into energy. It's very important, and we need it for the cell. Next, we have lysosomes. They are membrane-bound organelles that are filled with enzymes, as you can see an enzyme right here. They pretty much just break down and recycle waste. They clear everything out to make sure we have a healthy cell. Next, we have the peroxisomes. These are the peroxisomes right here. These organelles detoxify harmful substances, such as hydrogen peroxide, which is a byproduct of various metabolic reactions. They play a crucial role in maintaining health as well with the lysosomes. Next, we have the cytoskeleton, which I will have to scoot back to get to. This is the cytoskeleton right here, this fridge. It holds all of these different things and gives it structure. The cytoskeleton is very essential to make sure everything is in order, and it's very important. Next, we have the cell membrane, and the membrane is right here. Membrane is a lipid bilayer that encases the cell, controlling the movement of the substance in and out of the cell. It maintains the entire internal environment of the cell and supports communication with other cells and facilitates nutrient and waste exchange. So it's obviously very important, as each of these are all important. And then we have ribosomes. These small little dense particles all throughout here. They are the sites of protein synthesis where messenger RNA is translated into protein. So all of these combined create a cell, and a cell is essential for an organism's survival and function. All of these working together to ensure the cell's health, growth, and reproduction. Each of these have a very important role in the cell, and especially organisms itself wouldn't be able to survive without each of these things.